Hello everyone, today we're going to be checking out the Flatsons FW2D wireless guitar system. This was sent to me by Flatsons for review, and as always, everything I share is based on my opinion and experience. So let's open it up and see what's inside. There's a simple instruction sheet, but honestly, you won't need it. Setup is super intuitive. You will get one transmitter and one receiver, and both compact, clearly labeled and built with swivel jacks so they fit different guitar body styles. It comes with one USB-C charging cable. It's not long enough, but it's enough for topping off both units. Let's talk a little bit about its features. It's 2.4 GHz digital transmission. Range is about 98 feet in open space. Latency is 5 milliseconds. Sampling rate is 48 kHz. 16-bit for clean full range audio. There's 4 channel groups, lets you switch channels to avoid interference if you're using multiple wireless systems. Battery life is 6 hours per charge. For compatibility, it works with electric guitars, basses, active pickups, amps, pedals, and audio interfaces. Let's plug it in and see how it performs. I plug the transmitter into my guitar and the receiver into my Flatsons mini guitar amp. They paired automatically, no buttons, no menus, just plug and play. Our apartment is not that big, so I can't really test it in long range. So I can only test it inside our apartment. So I try to walk around per room, like in the living room, in 2 of our rooms, in the garage, and in the kitchen, bathroom, and there's no dropouts. The signal held strong the whole time. I also tested unplugging and plugging it back in mid-session. There's no sound glitches, no delay, it reconnected instantly and kept going. Let's talk about the pros. I like the instant pairing, there's no setup required. It is 48 kHz 16-bit audio with less than 5 millisecond latency. It is also rechargeable with decent battery life, and it works with most guitars and amps. So for the cons, there's only 2 I could think of. So there's no included case for storage, and it has short charging cable. I wish it could be longer, but that's not really a deal breaker. I don't gig anymore like I used to these days, and I mostly play at home, usually during breaks from video editing or 3D modeling. It's my way to reset and recharge. This wireless setup has been a game changer for me. I can jam freely around my workstation without worrying about cables getting tangled or yanking my gear. It keeps my space clean and lets me move naturally while I play. If you're looking for a wireless guitar system that's simple, reliable, and surprisingly capable for the price, the Flatsons FW2D is a solid pick. It's perfect for home practice, jam sessions, and creators like me who wants clean audio without the cable clutter. If you want to check this out, I will leave a link in the description below. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.